Here's what you'll need for my braised spicy aubergines. A good thumb-sized piece of ginger, my thumb anyway. Some garlic, some vegetable stock, some spring onions, an aubergine of course, some sweet chilli, soy sauce, Sichuan pepper powder, some Sichuan peppercorns, chilli oil. I've made my own, you can find out how to in my other videos, but you can of course buy chilli oil, some honey and some apple cider vinegar. First thing we're going to do, give your aubergine a quick wash, and then we're going to cut it into little chunks around 1 or 2 centimetres. When you cut your aubergine, get it into a colander or a sieve, and then give it a good dose of salt, give that a mix round, and you're going to leave that for 20 minutes just for the aubergine to drain. While your aubergine's draining, it's time to get on with your spring onions, and we're just interested in the whitish parts. With your garlic, ginger and onions prepared, it's time to make yourself up a little sauce. So first thing, a tablespoon of your Sichuan pepper, tablespoon of your apple cider vinegar, same with your sweet chilli sauce, tablespoon of your soy sauce, and last but not least, tablespoon of your honey. And get them all mixed together. When your aubergine is at 20 or 30 minutes, time to give it a good rinse in cold water. When it's had a good rinse, just put it onto some kitchen roll and just pat it dry. With everything ready, it's time to get a good glug of your chilli oil into a pan, get it heated up so it's nice and hot, and then it's in with your spring onions. And we're just going to give them 30 seconds or so just to warm through. Then it's in with your garlic and ginger. Get that mixed in, and again give that another 30 seconds to cook through. Then in goes your aubergine. Give that a good mix round and give that a minute to heat through. When your aubergines had a minute, it's time to go in with your little concoction that you made. Give that a stir around, and then it's in with your vegetable stock. And then what you're going to do, you're going to turn the heat down to low and let that simmer away for around 15 minutes. And it's had 15 minutes or so, so your aubergines really soften down. Then you're just going to turn up the heat a little bit and reduce that sauce so that it thickens and reduces to almost nothing. When it's reduced down to something like that, it's time to get it in a bowl, getting ready to serve. With it finished, and this is optional, but I like to garnish it by breaking up some chili peanuts. Just break them up into little bits. Just scatter them. And then last but not least, a few of the green bits of your spring onions. And there you have it. Delicious.